Hello and welcome back to DaveTech. In this video, I will show you how to install the best browser on Google TV.
Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick, or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video.
Let's get started. So we're going to hop over to the Google Play Store. We'll do that from quick settings. I'll go to all settings at the top right and navigate down over to apps. From there, we'll click on see all apps. Go to the bottom of this list to see show system apps. So click on show system apps. And now we'll scroll on this list that comes up until we find Google TV or Google Play Store rather. So Google Play Store is here. Click on it to launch the app and click on open to open it. Now, when the app gets opened, you want to look for the browser application. So it's just called browser. In my opinion, this is the best app on the best browser application on Google TV. However, I'm going to give you an honorable mention before I conclude the video, so stay tuned for that. So if you can see it on the background popping up, browser. So look at the icon, make sure this is the one you're downloading, click on it, and then find the install button. So just click on install, and I'll tell you why I think this is the best browser in a moment. But while it installs, I want to give you an honorable mention. Honorable mention is going to be TV Bro. I'm just going to add TV before this bro, TV, and I'll show you the app. So TV Bro, that's the icon right there to the right of the screen, the blue icon to the right. This is the second best browser on Google TV in my opinion. So you click on install, just launches the app, and you could download, install it, and then use it. Now I'm going to head back over to the browser application. Here it is. It has downloaded and it has installed. So the download and install process is automatic. When you just click install, it downloads and then it installs to the device without needing to do anything else. So now that the browser is here, you could just click on it to open, and that will launch the app. Now that the browser is launched, you can see surfing, streaming, downloading. It's optimized for all of this. You could skip the onboarding questions that you do not want to answer, but these are the questions as they pop up. So I'm just continuing and I'm skipping all of this just so that I can show you the interface and you could see the browser application. So protecting your privacy, smartphone control is also a functionality here. So you're getting to see why I actually call this one of the best versions or best browsers on Google TV. All you need to do to search is just to click here and then you can start searching either with voice control or with any other keyboard or this keyboard on Google TV right here. If you just press your voice control, you can search anything like Trump, and there you can find a very easy, seamless browsing experience. The second reason is about to be made known to you why I think this is the best browser. So scroll mode is also here where you could press and hold the middle button to activate scroll mode and then press up and down to scroll. Now, this would be, in my opinion, the second reason why this is the best. Click I am not a robot. And now other browsers give you 1,000 different puzzles to solve. Like you solve the first and then solve a second and then solve the third. Only experience could make you understand something like this. It is truly frustrating. I've worked with a whole lot of browsers on Google TV. So in my experience, this is the best because one puzzle and you're done. Other browsers will give you a whole lot of puzzles and you solve and solve and solve, and it gets really frustrating. So that's how you use a browser application. You could navigate the top panel for functionality, going back on pages, zooming, uh, managing the tabs, toggling on security, and all that good stuff. This is the best browser in my opinion, and I'll show you how to download and install it on Google TV. If you found it insightful, smash that subscribe button and you never miss a very good video just like this.